Hi, my name is azabalujev or Mr.AlexAi. It's the way I'm known on YouTube and other social media. And we're talking about insurance, wildfires, recovery, and how to maximize your um, recovery, how to maximize your payouts from the insurance company. Um, just a few words. If you didn't see my previous video, I have a lot of experience doing that because I went through this myself. And in 2020, we lost our house in Sonoma to a wildfire, and which took everything, absolutely everything. There was no documents, no clothing, nothing, no memories, no art. Everything was gone, everything entirely. And we had two choices, as everybody else has. Take insurance company adjuster who will be working at no cost to us, but they do work for insurance company, so they don't care about our bottom line. They do care about insurance company bottom line, and that's okay. I mean, insurance company is now non-profit. It's profit business, and obviously they need to care about their bottom line. And another option is to hire a private adjuster. And we interviewed a couple of private adjusters, and they would work for us. They would do everything they can to get our payment to the max from the insurance company, but they charge 10 to 15% on all recovered amount, and that's a lot. So basically, if your insurance policy tells that you can recover $1 million, a maximum amount you can hope for is $850,000, and that's if they're successful. If not, there will be less. And I thought about it for a second and decided to do it myself. I had no idea what I'm getting into. And long story short, it took me 10 months. It's a full-time job to put together all the documents, all the evidence, photos, to do cleanup of the site, to deal with county officials. At the same time, you have to take care of your family. You need to look for another accommodation. You need to see if you're going to rebuild or purchase another home. And it goes on and on and on. There's a lot of work. If you're not good at numbers, if you're not good at detail, I would suggest to have somebody to help you, because it wouldn't be possible. Numbers is my thing, I would say. I'm good with numbers, I'm great with detail, and I am focused. I can do it. I did it. I would say we did extremely well. Looking at the result, I will show you some pictures of the house which we lost, and here they are. You can look at them. That's what was left of it after the fire. You can see how bad, how devastating it is. It's like a bomb went off. There's nothing left. nothing. And here is our new home. That's where we live now. So you can see we did well, we recovered well, but it took off a lot of my time and effort, a lot. So I want to help you to understand all your steps. So first of all, I hope you did call your insurance company and open the claim. You have to have the case number. You have to write it down and keep it safe. This is the number you will be operating with all the time. Second, you need to decide if you go with insurance company adjuster or private adjuster. You need to make that decision as soon as you can. If you go with insurance company adjuster, I suggest you to hire somebody who can help you to put all your content, all your personal belongings into spreadsheets and gather as much evidence as they can to help you, because you will have to prove what you had. You'll have to prove all receipts, possibly something you'll find online. If all was destroyed as a physical evidence, then look online, look on all the websites you were shopping on. For example, Amazon, Home Depot, websites like that, they keep history for years. So you can take a lot from there. Then you will have to get as many pictures, as many photos as you can from your friends, from your archives, online, social media, anything where you can see every detail of your house. What kind of tiles you had, what kind of flooring you had, how many ceiling lights you had, what furniture, how many couches, rugs, lights, lamps, everything. More you get, more you will receive from insurance company. And then after that, you need to make sure you understood the contract. You need to see what is the maximum possible amount you can receive from your insurance company. You need to see where is that ceiling, where are you striving for. It's very important number. It doesn't mean if you insure it for 10 million, it doesn't mean you will receive 10 million. You still have to prove it. You still have to prove it. And it's a tedious process. I went through this, I know what it is. I know what it takes, but I know you can win. You can get a lot of money to recover. Obviously, take your time, don't rush, think. One of big questions will be, are you going to rebuild or buy elsewhere? If you're going to rebuild, I would suggest you to get bids as soon as possible from contractors, because they can help you to prove the number, the amount of money, the funds you need to rebuild. Get few bids, get more than 1 or 2 bids, at least 3. And also, if you decide not to rebuild, start looking where you want to buy. Because many insurance companies, in our case, we moved to Pennsylvania. So what they did, they paid for the house, other structures and its content, but they're not paying for land. Your land still belongs to you. So remember, you'll have to buy a new house using insurance funds, but they will never cover the cost of land. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please email me and like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Stay safe.